It's another beautiful day today in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm right here in the Ibeju Lekki. And of course, you know what I do best. My name is Frankilo and you are watching Montour Properties YouTube channel. Today is the official launch of Gracias Bronzite. This property was launched today, being the 3rd of February 2024. And this Gracias Bronzite is located in the Coastal City scheme by the Lagos State government. So this property is actually in a scheme that is owned by the Lagos State government, and that is why the land title in this property I'm introducing to you is actually Government Allocation C of O. So the land here was actually being allocated to Gracias, which are the developers of this project, to be able to launch this property right now. So today is the official launch day, and I want to show you this beautiful place because there are so many reasons why you should take advantage of this important investment opportunity. And I want you to watch this video to the end so that you can see for yourself the bird view of this fantastic location and also why you need to take advantage of this selling residential property right now. So here at Gracias Bronzite, there are several reasons why you should take advantage of this investment opportunity. And number one on my list is the fact that this property is located in the Coastal City scheme in Ibeju Lekki. That means this property you are seeing is in a reserved location like a GRA. This property you are seeing is located in a place that is prominently owned by the Lagos State government. So most investments you are going to see in this location are properties that are being allocated by the Lagos State government, and that is why the land title on this estate comes as Government Allocated Certificate of Occupancy. So this is one reason why you should buy here, because owning a property here means that you are free from any government encumbrances and nobody is going to take away your investment as long as it is located in a location like this. The reason why you should consider investing here at Gracias Bronzite is the fact that this property was actually launched today. So that is giving you the opportunity to buy this property as an early bird. So that means you are going to be buying this property if you key in now below the actual market selling price. So this is an opportunity for investors. Like I keep reminding investors, the best time for you to buy a property is actually during the pre-launch price, and this is what Gracias Bronzite is currently selling for right now, and you can take advantage of these early bird prices and jump on this investment opportunity. Another reason why I'm recommending Gracias Bronzite to investors right here is the fact that this area is already fully developed. Like where I'm standing is already the demarcation between the roads that are under construction right here. As you can see, this property is actually facing this road, so that means easy navigation as long as you want to access this estate is quite easy. And that is why you see that the roads are already done, the drainages are already done, and the road leading you in and out of this estate is completely done. And if you look also right ahead of me, you will see that there are also houses and projects under construction. This is where you have Alexandra Court, and you know Alexandra Court is also a project in partnership with Lagos State government, and Gracias Bronzite is bordering this already existing infrastructure going on here, building project going on here called Alexandra Court. So this is just to show you where Gracias Bronzite is located and why many people are talking about this project, and also the reason why you should consider adding this investment to your property portfolio right now. Now that you have heard about the introduction and you've also heard about the selling price of lands right here inside Gracias Bronzite, then what else are you waiting for? So we are looking forward to subscribers or smart investors like you who will jump on this important investment opportunity and make a home for yourself right in this place. So you can actually buy here for land banking, or you can actually buy here and start building your property after your physical allocation. So you will be getting your invoice, your receipt, your contract of sales, land documentations, and also all that will be available for subscribers inside this estate. And just behind me, what you can see is the Alexandra court behind me, and this is just where it gets much better, because investors who will be concerned about developing their property will not be worried, since we already have existing projects right here. We also have the federal housing scheme just right ahead of us. We also have the Lagos state government scheme just right across of us. So all we are seeing here is very important developments that will be taking advantage of these places very, very soon. Getting to the express road, Lekki Express Road, is just a stone's throw away. And just some few kilometers away from here, 5 kilometers actually from here, you are getting to Dangote Refinery and this deep sea port. And this road leading you to this, the road facing the Gracias Bronzite leads you all the way to the Coastal City Road. So imagine the road under construction right now, all the way from the Atlantic down to Eleko is operational. That means you can easily navigate right into this estate without any much hassle. So now that you know the location, you know the advantage of investing in this property, then all you need is to reach out to us right now. Call the numbers below the screen and you can talk to us, and we can assist you with all the details and information that you require in making ownership of this land or this estate a possibility. So we are looking forward to your calls, we are looking forward to your emails, and we are hoping that you will trust this process and key into this investment property right here at the Coastal City scheme here in the Ibeju Lekki local government in Lagos, Nigeria. So keep watching, and if you are just seeing this video for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and do not forget that sharing is also caring. So for some of you who may not have the money to buy an investment like this, why don't you care about other people who have the means and share this video to them so that they can also make informed decisions by watching all of these updates here in Gracias Bronzite. So I look forward to your calls, I look forward to reaching out to us, and if you can't come here in person, then you can schedule a virtual inspection and we can bring you all the way here for you to see things for yourself so that it can help you make the right decision. My name remains Frank Ilo, and I'm the lead consultant for Montour Properties and Investment Limited, and this is Montour Properties YouTube channel. Please keep watching and see you on our next video. Bye for now.